Hey, it's Robert here from robertcbrown.online, and today I'm going to be asking the question, how do you activate the subconscious mind? And what's more, I'll be answering that question. But before I get stuck into the meat of all of that, why don't you, while you're here, subscribe to the channel, hopefully like the video, because I'm sure you will, and click the bell icon so that you get notified every time I do one of these videos for you. So, with all of that out the way, let's get stuck in. Okay, well, here's the thing. You don't actually have to activate your subconscious mind. Why? Because it's already active. It's active all of the time. It's listening to your predominant thoughts all of the time. It's like a kind of tape recorder, if you like, on loop in the background, listening to everything you feed into it and recording it. And then over time, those recordings become indelibly imprinted on your subconscious, on who you are. They become your default setting. So if the real question behind the question is, how do I get my subconscious to work for me instead of against me? Well, we can dig into that a little bit deeper. But essentially what it is that you need to feed your subconscious mind good stuff. Stuff that's going to create empowering feelings and going to help you become more, do more and have more in life. It's as simple as that. If you're going to go around all day long thinking negative thoughts, putting yourself down, you've got internal self-dialogue that's really downbeat, etc., etc. What are the chances of you being able to achieve anything beyond where you currently are in your life? I'd say fairly minimal. So what you need to do is start to consciously feed your subconscious the right thoughts, the right dialogue, the right feelings. You need to tap into the emotions, visualize good stuff that makes you feel good and elevates your self-image. You see, over time, again, if that's your predominant thing, if every time you're slipping to the negative side of the track, you counter that with a positive thought or an affirmation or a visualization, then your subconscious can only take in the predominant focus, the predominant thought or focus at the time. So by overwriting the negative thought consciously, being aware of it, and that's the first step, be aware of when you're doing it, because most people aren't. Counter it with something positive and focus with everything you've got on that. Really visualize, live into it, right? So you can get emotional and feel the feeling of the good stuff rather than the emotion of the negative stuff. And again, because your subconscious is like a tape recorder, it will take this in, and over a period of time, that will become indelibly printed on your subconscious and will become your new default setting. Now, I'm sure you'd agree with me when you have that type of content going into your subconscious mind, it's going to empower you to be more, do more and have more, right? You're going to become more as a person. You're going to have a much more positive outlook on life, and you're going to feel like you're capable of creating more in your life. You're going to believe in yourself on an entirely new level. Well, that's a great place to be, because it means now, because you believe in yourself and you have total confidence in your ability and zest for life, you can now go and do things on a scale that you wouldn't have been able to manage before. And consequently, the knock-on effect of being able to do more, of a positive nature in life, in business, more positive results are going to show up. You get to have more, in other words. Be, do, have. It's the same formula over and over again. The work starts with you, because you put the work into you and you become more as a person. You can do more. When you do more, you have more. It's as simple as that. So I encourage you, if you're feeling stuck right now and you kind of really start to play around with spirituality and working on yourself and you want to be a better version of you, then the first thing to do is take responsibility, realize that things outside in your external physical reality are not happening to you. They are being created by you. At some point, on some level, they're being created by you. So take responsibility for that. Start making the changes inside of yourself, which will in turn help you to make changes in what you do, and what you do will make the changes you want to see show up in your life. I hope that makes sense. I hope it inspires you to take action, because none of this stuff is going to do you any good unless you actually take action and do something, okay? And I really hope you do. You get one life. You need to live it to its fullest, and you're worth it. You're absolutely worth it. So give it your all. Play full out with life. Play full out. Don't settle for less than you can be. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope, like I said, it inspires you to take action and start making some positive changes in life. And please leave comments. Leave questions and comments. I love to come back and I answer them all. I love interacting with people, finding out how they felt about the video, what it inspired them to do, what their results are. It juices me to keep doing this stuff. And as I said right at the outset of the video, keep coming back. Keep coming back and checking out the channel, because I'm always putting inspirational videos up and stuff that I know can really help you move forward in both life and business. And before I check out completely, I've got a free training that if you really, really want to get moving with your business and you find that you are actually the person who's probably getting in your way, you're the block in your business rather than anything else, and you want to overcome that, then my training can be found at robertcbrown.online/training. So it's robertcbrown.online/training. I'll put a link below the video as well. Go there. It's a free training, and I know it'll change the way you look at your life and your business from here on in. I promise you it will. Just go there, register, and take it in, and take plenty of notes, but take action. Okay, that's it. I'm going to wrap up now. Have a great rest of your day. Check in soon. See you then. Bye.